Dear students, today I am going to start question number 5 from exercise 7.2. In this question we are given ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangles. Both these triangles are isosceles, it means two of their sides are equal. So I have drawn this figure here. In this figure we have one triangle ABC and second is BDC. In both the triangles, two sides are equal as to both the triangles are isosceles triangle. So in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC, and in triangle BDC, BD is equal to DC, and both the triangles are lying on the same base, that is BC. So let's start the question. Now what is given in the question? In triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC, and in triangle BDC we are given BD is equal to DC. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove that, show that angle ABD, this is angle ABD, is equal to angle ACD. So we have to prove angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. So how we are going to prove it? First of all, we will take triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, we are given AB is equal to AC, and we know that angles opposite to equal sides are also equal. So what is angle opposite to side AB? Opposite to side AB angle is there at point C. So let this angle be 1 and the angle at point B is angle 2. So we will write angle opposite to side AB is angle 1 and angle opposite to side AC is angle 2. So what is the reason behind it? Equal sides have equal opposite angle, equal opposite angles. Now moving to second triangle, that is triangle BDC. In triangle BDC we are given BD is equal to DC. Now angle opposite to this side are angle opposite to BD. BD is, let this angle be 3, and angle opposite to side DC is angle 4. So therefore angle 3 is equal to angle 4 for the same reason that equal sides have equal opposite angles. Now we will name these two equations as equation 1 and this is equation 2. So we will add them. So when we add both these equations, adding 1 and 2, we get, when we add two equations, left hand side is added to left hand side and right hand side is added to right hand side. So therefore 1 plus angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 4. Now what is angle 1 plus 3? Angle 1 plus 3 is angle ACD. Angle ACD. And what is angle 2 plus 4? Angle 2 plus 4 forms angle ABD. So it is angle ABD. So we got the required result, that is ABD is equal to ACD. So we can write it as angle ABD is equal to angle ACD, hence proved. So our result is proved. In question number 6, we are given triangle ABC as is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. Here is the triangle ABC, ABC. In this triangle, AB is equal to AC. And side BA, this is side BA which is produced to point D such that AB is equal to AD. We have to show that angle BCD is a right angle, that is angle BCD is a is equal to 90 degree. So let's start the question. What is given in the question? That in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC and AD is equal to AB when side BA is produced to D. It is given to us that in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC and AD is equal to AB when side BA is produced to point D. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove angle BCD is equal to 90 degree. That is, angle BCD is a right angle. So how we are going to prove it? First of all, we will write in triangle ABC. What is given to us? AB is equal to AC. So let the angle at point B is 1 and angle at point C is 2. So in triangle ABC, angle AB is equal to AC. Now what is the angle opposite to AB? Angle opposite to AB is angle 2 and angle opposite to AC is angle 1. So, but reason we will mention here, equal sides have equal opposite angles. Now we are also given one condition that when side BA is produced to point D, then AB is equal to AD. Now see, AB is equal to AC and AB is equal to AD also. So it implies that AB is equal to both AC and AD. So AB is equal to AC and AB is equal to AD. So therefore AB is equal to AC and AD. It implies that AC is equal to AD. Now if AC is equal to AD, therefore angle opposite to these sides are also equal. Now what is angle opposite to AC? Angle opposite to AC, let it be angle 3 and angle opposite to AD is angle 4. So therefore angle opposite to side AC. So we will write in triangle with ACD, AC is equal to AD and what is angle opposite to side AC, that is angle 3 and angle opposite to AD is angle 4. So again the same reason, equal sides have equal opposite angles. Now let these equations be equation 1 and 2. Now we will use angle sum property in triangle BCD. So we will write in triangle BCD. Now angle in this triangle, angle B, that is angle 1. At C we have two angles, that is 2 plus 4. So we will write it in bracket 2 plus angle 4. And at point D we have angle 3. So they all are equal to 180 degree by angle sum property. By angle sum property of triangles. So now from 1 and 2 we are given that angle 2 is equal to angle 1 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. On point C we have angle 2 and angle 4. So we will replace 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. So we will write, instead of 1 we will write angle 2, then angle 2 plus angle 4, that was at point C, then angle 3 is equal to angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. So we will mention here from 1 and 2 because already we have mentioned in equation 1 and 2 that angle 2 can be replaced by angle 1 and angle 3 can be replaced by angle 4. So we got 2 angle 2 and 2 angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. Take 2 common from left hand side, we got 2 times angle 2 plus 4 is equal to 180 degree. So this 2 will be shifted to other side and it will divided by 180. So it will become angle 2 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 by 2. So it becomes 90 degree. Now what is angle 2 plus 4? From the figure we can see angle 2 plus 4 is angle BCD. So therefore angle BCD is equal to 90 degree. So we can say therefore angle BCD is a right angle. So it is proved, hence proved that angle BCD is a right angle. So with this our question number 6 is completed. We will start question number 7 in the next video.